One is that
Sanford-Burnham Medical Research Institute welcomed world-renowned researchers to the inaugural scientific symposium held at its new Lake Nona facility in Orlando, Florida.
This symposium that we're hosting today really helps to put Orlando on the map in terms of a destination for great life science research. Well, really what stimulates science is interactions among scientists. They begin discussing a topic and suddenly an idea is stimulated through that interaction. And so these symposia are the sort of venue that really helps to push the science forward and helps us to really take advantage of these great partnerships that we have at Medical City.
medical sciences.
250 scientists and students from across the U.S. listened to Nobel laureates Drs. Michael Brown and Joseph Goldstein present their latest research on how cells control cholesterol. Both groups came away impressed.
You are so fortunate to have the political system so committed to this and to put together so quickly a whole new medical enterprise is almost unprecedented that I can imagine. I've never heard of a place, where you have a VA hospital going up, a university hospital, a children's hospital, and research institutes all going up simultaneously. It's really rather remarkable.
Biochemist Dr. Eric Olson agrees.
I get a real feeling of excitement here. I sense a pioneer spirit. There's a can-do attitude. I really like it. It's very different from older institutions which are more entrenched and traditional. Everybody's here because they all want to be on the same team and do something important. And I think this place selects for risk takers and brave individuals. That's great.
This is a remarkable group of scientists that's been pulled together today. You won't see a more stellar panel. And I think for all the young people, it's a real opportunity to see some of the, science at its best.
Getting to see these very accomplished scientists speak does sort of help put it in perspective and make it feel a lot more attainable rather than such an abstract thing. So it's definitely a nice learning opportunity for a young scientist.
It's all about seeking facts and new ideas about how to understand life and disease and come up with ideas for new treatments. And so it's a great honor to be here.
And so it's an opportunity for us to learn from each other. The speakers themselves learning from each other, in addition to the audience learning how the speakers are interacting and talking to each other.
But it really is exciting that we have this new facility, particularly that's focused on obesity and metabolism and diabetes. This is something that needs a lot more attention. It's a huge medical problem, and it's also a fascinating research problem.
Very inspiring, actually, and I'm already getting so many ideas to go check up back later and things like that. It's awesome. It's great.
This Frontiers of Science Symposium today is the scientific equivalent of Woodstock. It is a rock concert. I mean, I'm a synthetic organic chemist. I just came out of the morning session where we listened to 2 Nobel laureates and hopefully someone who's soon to be talk about their basic biology. And now I want to be a biologist too.
We are in a position with a place that's so exciting to bring in the very best scientists in the world.
If we can continue to attract some of the world's greatest scientists to come here to Orlando to exchange ideas and to bring focus around exciting new areas of medical research, I think we'll become known internationally as a destination where great science happens, where great ideas are exchanged, and where the breakthroughs really originate.